Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, and today I'm talking all about the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette, Give Yourself Grace. So if you've been interested in this palette, then let's get started. The way that I do my reviews is that I will first talk about the brand or the product, what drew me to it, why I decided to purchase it. I'll do some swatches, and then I'll do a makeup tutorial, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. As mentioned, this is the new Discovery eyeshadow palette from Rare Beauty called Give Yourself Grace. I have been very interested in Rare Beauty for the last few months because I've just been hearing great reviews about her products. I have tried out a few of her products, and the more I try them, the more I want to try. In fact, most of the products that I'm wearing today are from Rare Beauty, but I will feature these in a different video, so stay tuned for that. And actually, that's a great opportunity for me to introduce myself. If you are new here, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores, and I am a lifestyle creator. I feature content about beauty, fashion, luxury travel, home decor, you name it, I cover it all. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set up your notifications for all. I make new videos every week, and if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. But let's talk about this palette. I saw that this came out, and because I've been wanting to explore more of Rare Beauty products, I decided I wanted to add this to my cart, and because of the Sephora sale, I got 20% off. So for me, it was a no-brainer, perfect opportunity for me to try out new products. And that is the reason why I picked up the eyeshadow and a few more products, which I will feature in a future video. But let's talk about this eyeshadow. One of the reasons why I was so drawn to this eyeshadow is that it features, as you can see here, a lot of like pink, mauve purples, and that is totally within my wheelhouse of color that I like to wear. I am not super adventurous when it comes to my makeup, but the purples, the pinks, I definitely gravitate towards those. So immediately I knew that this would work for me. We also see a little bit of a shimmery, beigey gold here. This one was a little bit of a trickster because I saw it and I'm like, oh, it's a nice little coral, but it definitely is a lot more powerful than I had imagined, but I'll show you that in the swatches. And then of course you see that incredible glitter right in the center. I am, like I said, I'm not super adventurous when it comes to my eyeshadow looks, to my eye looks. I don't have a lot of glitter, I don't wear a lot of glitter, but hey, it's a beautiful palette, and so that's why I decided, you know, why not? I get 20% off. Let's do this. So let's go ahead and start with swatches. Alright, and now I'll show you how I created this makeup look. And there you go. Here is my final eye makeup look. I love this look. This, I feel like I could wear all day, any day. All day, every day, any day. Because it's just pretty, it's light, it's not super intense. Now I did do another eye look that is a little bit more bold. I used all but one, I think, of the shadows in this, and that is what I did for my Sephora haul video. I will link to it down in the description box below. I'll also tag it right here if you want to watch it. That one is definitely much bolder look, but this, I think, it's a beautiful everyday look. You can always play with the intensity. If I wanted to smoke this out a little bit and intensify this look, I definitely would add this deeper eggplant purple. It's a shimmery purple, but I use this to smoke out my previous look and it looked gorgeous. I am not someone who tends to smoke out my looks with a shimmery shadow. I usually do that with a matte shadow, but this came out really nice. So I really like that shadow. The only shadow that was very light on my skin tone was this first pink one right here. It comes off, it's not super vibrant on my skin tone. It's very light, but we don't always want an intense eye look every single day. So I was satisfied with this eyeshadow. This is just nice to have as a really nice light neutral. This would even work for one of those no makeup looks where you have a little bit of color there, a little bit of pink coming through, but not intense, and something that you could wear every day. These eyeshadows are buttery, really nice to blend, and I am so surprised with this glitter. I definitely encourage you to check out that Sephora haul video so that you can see how I use this glitter, but I didn't use glitter glue. It had very, like, almost no fallout. Very surprising, because whenever I do work with glitter, I usually have a lot of fallout. When I did that makeup look, I added some powder underneath my eye so that I could wipe away all of that fallout. And like I said, very minimal, if any, fallout. As far as price point goes, I think it's very fair. For a lot of the palettes that are out there, I think this is fairly priced, really good. And like I said, just an easy, I mean, you can create one look with just these shadows over here. You can create another look with just these shadows. You can mix and match. You can do a day look. You can do an evening look. You can do a more bold look by adding some of this glitter here. It's a really nice, versatile palette. I personally love the color story here, and yeah, I couldn't say more positive things about this. I really don't have any cons to this. I am super happy with this, and I'm happy to add this to my collection. Have you picked up this palette? Are you interested in picking up this palette? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you thought about the swatches, about the eyeshadows, the color story. Feel free to ask me any questions, make a request, or just say hi. You guys know that I love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.